Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
For centuries, cultures worldwide have recognized the potential value of the placenta after birth. Today, many new parents are exploring its benefits for postpartum recovery and wellness. Advocates often report feeling more balanced, experiencing higher energy levels, and even improved milk production. This personal choice is about harnessing natural support during a transformative time. It's a unique way some parents connect with their birth experience. Ensuring the placenta is handled safely and hygienically from the moment of birth is absolutely vital. It should be placed immediately into a clean, food-grade container, then promptly refrigerated. If you don't plan to use it within 48 hours, freezing is the best way to preserve its integrity and prevent spoilage. Always treat it with the same care you would any perishable food item. One of the most common methods for preparing the placenta, particularly for encapsulation, involves steaming. You can gently steam it over a pot of boiling water, perhaps with a few slices of lemon and ginger, for approximately 15 minutes. This cooking step is crucial as it helps to neutralize potential bacteria while still preserving many of the desired nutrients. It makes the placenta ready for the next stage, often dehydration. If direct consumption is your preference, there are several straightforward culinary approaches. After steaming, you might thinly slice the placenta and gently sauté it with your favorite vegetables and herbs, much like you would any lean meat. Alternatively, for a more discreet method, a small cooked piece can be blended into a nutrient-rich smoothie with fruits and greens. These methods integrate it easily into your diet. Before making any decisions, it's truly important to discuss your plans for your placenta with your healthcare provider well in advance of your delivery. They can advise you on hospital policies and safe handling practices. Remember, this choice is deeply personal, and there is no single right answer. Focus on what feels best for your body and your unique postpartum journey. Your well-being is always the top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.